Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Perspective by Priya. If you like my videos, please press the subscribe button now. Thank you. In today's episode, I am going to talk about the different faces of truth. Now, whether you're a teacher, a leader, a parent, a spouse, or anyone, any role you're playing, there are occasions when different versions of the same thing are presented in front of us. And it results in arguments, misinterpretations, and it further spoils our relation. If you have watched my last video, I have talked about the perception that matters when you look at number 6. The number that is 6 to me could be 9 to the person who is standing opposite to me. But we both are right at our position from where we see it. So this is about 5 men who were blindfolded and were sent to a room. In that room, there was a replica, a model of an animal kept. That model was a complete replica of the original animal, as in texture, shape, the feel of skin, etc. Now the job of these 5 men was to identify which animal was there. So these people were sent to that room with blindfold on their eyes, one by one. The first one went there and came back and said it's a huge snake inside. Then the second one went. He came back and said, no, it's something like a big hand fan. The third one went inside, felt the body of that model, came back and said, no, it's something very huge, like a wall. There's no animal inside. The fourth one went inside that room. He touched something and felt it as a sharp object. So he came back and said, it's a weapon, it's a spear that's kept inside. Finally, the last blindfolded man was sent to that room. He came back and he said, you're befooling us? There is no animal inside. You're tricking us. There's just a rope. Now, I'm going to tell you that although the versions of these 5 men were different, the first one calling it a big snake, second one calling it a hand fan, third one calling it a wall, fourth one calling it a spear, and fifth one calling it a rope, they all were true. How? They were speaking the truth. So now I tell you which animal was it. It was an elephant's replica inside that room. Same model, same texture, same feeling of skin, everything, same sharpness. So when the first one went inside, he felt the trunk of elephant, and for him it was a big snake. When second one went inside, he felt the ear of the elephant. So for him it was a huge hand fan. When third one went inside, he felt the side of the elephant, the body, and he felt it was a wall. When fourth one went inside, he observed from his fingers that it was something sharp, like a spear. It was the tusk of elephant. And the last one, who was saying that he was tricked, was feeling elephant's tail, which felt like a rope. So what we are missing here? We are missing that had it been they all have talked about it, what they have felt, it would have completed the picture. But since they did not communicate and they all had their own observations, they were sticking to that. Nobody thought of putting it all together. They might have solved the puzzle, which animal was there inside the room. So it happens with us, as I was saying, in organizations, in offices, even at our homes. It happens when we become victim of different versions of truth, and we feel somebody else is cheating, somebody is lying. Sometimes we need to invest our trust and look at the bigger picture, the complete picture. That's why I always say that perception matters. There may be different situation, different positions where we are standing, but we are feeling the same thing. These all are the fragments of one big whole. So this was today's Perspective by Priya story. I hope you would have liked it. If you have any other story to share, I would love to read. Please mention in the comment box below. Do like and share if you really like it. Thank you. God bless you all. And yes, believe in positivity. Lead a positive change. Thank you. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.